What is the lesson about?
This lesson is about a case old voluntary.
What do the village children do when they get tired?
The village children sleep in the shade for the tree.
Why do the passersby sit under the tree?
The passersby sit under tree, the tree to take for rest for some time.
Who take rest at night in the tree?
The birds, animals and insects take rest night in the tree.
Where do we get air fresh from?
We get fresh air from earth.
What should we do for the tree?
We should always love, care and for the tree.
What is the pleasantest thing a child can do?
To go up in a swing, pleasant thing which a child can do.
What can you see while going up in a thing?
We can see river, trees, gardens and countryside when we go up in a swing.
What does the child see in the countryside?
The child sees a green garden, brown roof and countryside.
What does the child see going down the swing?
The child sees garden green, going brown roof down the swing.
What does the child see when he is up in the air? Sonam,
Child sees the rivers, trees, kettles and countryside when he is there.
what kind of ruler was the king?
The king was very wise, brave and kind.
Who attacked his country?
The king of the neighboring country attacked his country.
What happened to the king and his soldier in the battle? What did the king see in the cave?
The king saw a spider going up in gold.
What moral do you get from the lesson?
If we should don't succeed, we should.
What was the task that Mr. Gill set?
Mr. Jal gave 5 words right exercise. Spelling exercise.
What did Gandhiji copy?
Gandhiji did not copy his did not want huge unfairness.
Very good. What left a lasting impression on Gandhiji's mind? Where were the two only companions of Mahatma Gandhi? At what age Mahatma Gandhi left Porbandar for Gujarat? Rajkot. चलो अगला सुनो. What happens when the sun goes away?
When the sun goes away and nothing stands upon, then the star shows its lights twinkle the night. We can see
Who does the traveler thank?
the traveler takes a star.
Why does he thank?
He takes a stars for their teeny stars.
What light the traveler?
The stars lights the traveler.
Who taught the princess? Who was the eldest Panda prince? Muskan. मुंह बंद. Who was the eldest Panda prince? What different skills did Guru Dron teach the princes?
In the
What was the test? What was the test?
The test was the soot A birds right eye.
Why was he satisfied with Arjun's answer?
He was satisfied Arjun answer because Arjun concentrated in the target.
What do we need to do to be successful in life?
We should keep our focused on the goal.
Why have the students of the government middle school assembled on the playground? What event is about to begin?
The 200-meter race
Age
is about
to begin. How many girls are taking part in the race?
Six girls race
6 girls are taking part in the race. Why do girls feel that Meena would not win?
girls feel that Meena would not win because she has been thin.
Who gave the signal to start the race? The game teacher.
The game's teacher
Signal.
start in the begin.
How does Meena run all through the race?
Of the competition
Meena run all through the race steadily and continuously.
Sir, नहीं है।
What do you think helped Meena?
Of
The self-confident.
helped Meena.
Meena, bas. How does the elephant come?
The elephant comes of करेंगे of the center. नहीं sir. The elephant comes with swing.
With swing.
With swing.
What is the cargo of the elephant?
The elephant cargo of the children.
What can the elephant do with its trunk?
The elephant can pull down house or pick up in a run.
What did the children do to the elephant?
The children drowned in the lake.
Why was Dinu buried?
Dinu was buried because he money to buy more later.
What did Dinu find in his workshop next morning?
He was found a new shoes for the workshop.
What did Dania make for the fairies?
That is new shoes for the fairy.
How did Dinu and Dania find out who made the shoes?
One night they hid themselves behind door and found next in the shoes.
What did the fairies do when they got new clothes?
They sang and danced all night.
Lesson 10. Where was the young boy sitting?
The young boy was sitting table near and window.
What was he doing near the window? He was doing his homework near the window. What did his mother call him?
His mother called him for breakfast.
What did the beggar say?
Beggar said, "Please give me something, for I have not eaten anything for today."
Why did the boy give his breakfast to the beggar?
The boy gave his breakfast to the beggar because he was very poor and hungry.
What did the mother find on the bookshelf?
On the bookshelf, mother found in son's breakfast packed in the corner.
Why did the boy keep his breakfast on the bookshelf?
The boy kept his for the beggar.
What moral do you get from the lesson?
It is glorious to help everyone.
What does the moonbeam see?
It is sleep close your eyes.
When does the moonbeam come over your bed?
The moment comes over our bed when night is deep in the still.
How does the moonbeam come?
It comes tiptoe on gentle.
What does the moonbeam have in its hand?
The moonbeams have a pen gold in its end.
Where does the moonbeam take you?
It takes us to
What was Akbar's challenge?
anyone can stand in the cold water of the river through the
Night?
night. He will be amply rewarded.
Why was Dinu ready to accept the challenge?
Dinu ready accepted that to challenge because he was and changed their life.
Why didn't Dinu's wife want to accept the challenge?
Dinu's wife did not want to accept the challenge because he seemed his task is risky.
What was the courtier objection?
The objection was that from King's Palace Dinu was brutalized.
How did Birbal bring justice to Dinu? Why was Dinu very happy at the end?
Dinu was very happy because he got he rewarded.
बैठ जाओ, शाबाश, तालियां बजाओ इसके लिए।